Oh, oh man, don't know what to do.
Luigi, let me in. I brought something cool.
Okay. Oh, hey, Jackson. What are you doing here?
I found something cool.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right, come in. So, Jackson, what did you bring?
Look, it's an air horn. And look what it does.
Whoa, jeez, that's loud. So, what are you doing with it?
I just wanted to show you.
Whoa. All right, hold on. Let me see this. All right. Oh no, I need the clap. Jackson, have your air horn back. Hey, Kevin, what are you doing today?
I'm playing with your Legos.
Oh, all right. Hey. All right. I need to poop. All right, Jackson, don't blow your air horn. I'm gonna be in the bathroom. Oh, now I need to flush. Oh, man. Yeah, go down. Oh, man. All right, gotta get back to my room, though. Oh, I just went to take a big belly load of crap. All right, I'm gonna sit down now. All right, so Jackson, can I see that air horn real quick?
Here you go.
All right, thanks. All right, hold on. Let me grab it first. Okay. Yeah, there. All right, I'm gonna do something with it. All right.
You sure you don't break it, Luigi?
Okay, I won't.
No, my air horn. No, my air horn.
Oh, well, that's gone now.
Luigi, that's it. That's enough. I'm gonna beat you up.
No.